In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find NASDAQ on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can pull up the right NASDAQ index chart in just a few seconds. First, make sure you're on any chart in TradingView. At the very top of the chart window, you'll see the symbol search box. This is the field that shows the current ticker. Go ahead and click directly into that box. On desktop, it's near the upper left of the chart. On mobile, you'll usually see a magnifying glass icon that opens the same search panel. Either way, the process is identical once the search field is active. Now type the word NASDAQ. As you type, you'll notice TradingView instantly suggests results. These are grouped by instrument type, and that's helpful. You're looking for index entries, not individual stocks or ETFs. Look for results that explicitly indicate an index. Common choices include the NASDAQ Composite, which tracks thousands of companies listed on the NASDAQ exchange, and the NASDAQ 100, which tracks the largest non-financial companies from that market. If your goal is a broad market view, the Composite is a great pick. If you want a large-cap, tech-heavy snapshot, the NASDAQ 100 is typically what people use. Take a moment to read the result line before you click. Some items may look similar but represent different things, like an ETF or a futures contract that tracks the index rather than the index itself. If you see options labeled as an index, that's your cue you're in the right place. If your list is crowded, keep NASDAQ in the box and add a clarifier like Composite or 100 to narrow it to exactly what you want. Once you spot the index you're after in the search results, simply click it. TradingView will immediately load that symbol on your chart. You'll know it worked because the symbol in the top left of the chart updates to the one you selected, and the price history will reflect the index data. The time frame and chart style will follow your current chart settings, so you can continue using your favorite intervals and indicators without changing anything else. If you don't see what you expect right away, double-check the spelling of NASDAQ and confirm you're selecting an index entry rather than a fund or derivative. That quick look saves confusion and ensures you're tracking the correct benchmark. That's all there is to it. Click the symbol search box, type NASDAQ, and choose the index you want from the results to open the chart.